Welcome back, everyone. It was a great morning over in the active trader room and on Wealth Charts. Where is this market going? Well, the NASDAQ is still large and in charge. It has not been able to get back into the uppermost quadrant of that four-quadrant long-term channel. Let's zoom into the hard right edge. That pink line is the divider. We're below it, but we're in an oversold state where you heard from me earlier in the week. More likely, we're going to try to come back up and push up into this nested set of volume point of controls as a resistive area and then probably come back down again. Well, that's effectively what the market has attempted. And we've still got an oversold state, the benefit from the yield curve changes last week, and of course, weakening oil in today's trade to help keep the market buoyant. However, we're not seeing buyers willing to come in. Of course, we're waiting for Nvidia's earnings after the bell tomorrow. We've got a very clear depiction of cross currents that might be harder to see when you're just looking at the downward action and the pause. Let's go decipher it and break it down using the Trader Rescue Package, a toolkit built by 37-time real money international domestic trading champion Rob Hoffman. Here is the TRP signal on the daily chart. We got a sell signal on the 18th, and we've been operating on that sell signal since that point in time. We've got a negative momentum cross, and we've of course got targets down over here, but that sell signal is coming with the TRP momentum crossover happening above the center of the channel, making it less effective overall. Now, this is exacerbated by the cross currents where the 4-hour chart's in a buy signal and then the 1-hour chart's in a sell signal. What does it tell us? No swing trading at this moment, but are there day trading opportunities? Well, absolutely there are. Here's an example of it from this morning. We had a TRP sell on a 1-minute chart on the NASDAQ at 9:53 a.m. Eastern time. We, prior to that, got the negative momentum crossover. Yep, it did come in a little above the top of the center of the channel, but we did see the progress of price action down below the MSR channel. And we, of course, made it all the way to the target too and had some more room for it to run a little lower. In fact, from this area, roughly the 29,370 area, we saw price come all the way down to the 29,240 area. An incredible 130 odd point move. Now, of course, that's all the way from top to bottom, and then a signal to tell us that it's transitioning back to the other side. A toolkit that is simple, straightforward, effective for small account sizes, large account sizes, day traders, and swing traders is what I'm going to be teaching you all about first thing tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern time. If you like to have straightforward, high probability strategies that are competition tested, competition winning strategies, well, join me tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern time. You'll be able to get there by going to becomebettertrader.com/go, and I'll be teaching you about the highest probability setups that this toolkit can provide a trader. And of course, I did continue to trade on the day today and have grossed another $572 odd dollars, trading 4 accounts separately, and of course doing so with very small size trades using strategies just like these to execute live in front of folks over in the active trader room and of course live on Wealth Charts. If you'd like to learn how this can be a repeatable, consistent process that can introduce more consistency into your trading, well, join me first thing tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern time, 9 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. Simply go to becomebettertrader.com/go and get your seat now. Looking forward to seeing you there and wishing you a wonderful rest of your trading day. Bye for now, all.